Hey guys, I'm here with Hampton and we're in their 255 Ultra from SeaHunt Boats. Just a quick tour of this boat from the back to the front, so if you'd like to go ahead and go with that seating, take it from here, Hampton.
Yeah, so this is a part of our Ultra line. Ultra stands for the ultimate lifestyle that's really affordable. All of our Ultra lines have a full back seat. It's made to accommodate a lot of people, and you know, a great family boat to get everybody on board and take an evening cruise.
It definitely is that and more. Tell me a little bit about this little detail that I've been seeing on this model in particular. It looks like actually you put that up there and use this just to hold your legs up.
Yeah, man.
Doesn't get much more comfortable than this, cruising on your way home or out to the sandbar.
Yep, built-in footrest. So this is the Ultra Mezzanine leaning post. So obviously, a couple more people can sit here, but there's a built-in insulated cooler right here to put all your drinks in.
Very nice. I see you got a couple of cup holders down here for those seated in this area as well.
Yep, two more on the sides here.
Okay, you definitely need those. I see a side door on this. Not a feature you see very often on a 25-footer.
Yep.
You mind cracking that open for us and giving us a...
Yeah, man.
So it doesn't get much more comfortable than this. It comes with a ladder, so if you're at the sandbar or anywhere else with the family, the kids, to get in and out of the boat does not get any easier than that.
And when you pull up to a dock, it's perfectly level with the dock right there. Easy access to get on and off the dock.
That as well. Very true.
And one unique thing about it is when you open it, it stores all the way under the gunnel right here.
It's completely
out of the way. So it's
out
of the way, and you can walk back and forth very easily.
Okay. I see you got some storage compartments back here.
Yep, you can remove the cushions. You got your 5-gallon bucket storage there.
Okay.
There's a removable compartment here, so you can access all your pumps and stuff in the bilge.
Still utilize the space when you put that piece back in.
Yep, you can still use it for storage. And then you have your live well in this corner here.
Oh, okay.
It's got a clear glass lid, fully sealed.
So you can mix in some fishing when you'd like as well.
Yep. So this boat's going to come standard with a 12-inch unit, Garmin or Simrad, your choice.
Okay.
And we have this nice full enclosure here with electric actuator. So if you want a little breeze, you can open it. But if you get into some bad weather, maybe a rainstorm, you can seal it off. And when you're underway, you won't get a drop of water on you.
Very nice.
Yeah, so up here in the front of the 255, we have contoured cushions. So when you're sitting here, leaning back against the backrest, you know, it comes up on your leg and it's super comfortable. And this is an optional bow filler, so now the whole place is closed and you have all the area to sit here. Yeah. But you can remove the bow filler.
Okay. Well, Hampton, thank you very much for the walkthrough. We definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't seen the 255 Ultra, we definitely recommend it.
Yeah, and if you go to SeaHuntBoats.com, you can find a ton of information on all of our boats. You can also use our dealer locator and find your local dealer and give them a call.